Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add an end screen in a YouTube video. So this is what the end screen will look like once we've added it to the video. There are two elements. I'll add a video playlist here and a video link here. So first, log into your YouTube Studio account. Click on Content in the left side panel. And here's where you choose your video to edit. Hover your mouse over the specific video. And then click on the pencil icon. This will open the video details section. Scroll down, and on the right side, click on End Screen. This will open the end screen editor. Note that you can only place an end screen at the last 20 seconds of the video. So first make sure to place the playhead at the correct spot in the timeline below. This is the preview section. And in this left side panel, you'll notice a few preset end screens. For example, this first one has two video elements, whereas this one has one video element and a subscribe link. And if I scroll down, you'll find more presets. So let me scroll back up. And I'm not going to use any of these presets. Instead, I'm going to show you how to do it manually. But the overall process of adding end screens is the same whether you use a preset or not. There are two options here. This option is if you've already added an end screen before on another video, and it allows you to import the end screen into the video, but I won't use this option. So click on this plus element link, and you'll see various options. I'll show you the video and playlist options. I'll choose the video option first, and as you can see, it's added a placeholder in this preview section. First, let me adjust the correct time. So I'll select the box and enter the timestamp. Now let me move the placeholder and use these handles to resize it like so. So that looks good. Next, click on this option to choose a specific video. And it'll bring you to this search page. You can use the search box to search any video on YouTube, or use the search box to search your YouTube videos. You can either enter the exact URL of the YouTube video or enter a search term. I'll type Firefox, and as you can see, it displays all my Firefox videos. Let me scroll down. I'll choose this video. And as you can see, it's replaced a placeholder. Next, let's add a YouTube playlist link. So I'll click on the plus element link and choose Playlist. Like I showed you earlier, you can enter a URL or search term in this search box. I'm going to choose this playlist. And as you can see, it's replaced a placeholder. Next, I'll change the timestamp, like so. And then reposition and resize the element, like so. You can preview the end screen by clicking this play button, but that's pretty much it. Make sure to save the changes. And it'll bring you back to the video details page. Click on this back arrow button in the top left corner, and it'll bring you back to the channel content page. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to click on these end screens to see how it works. Thanks for watching.